Your topic is to graph linear systems. Review of IM1, yeah?
Yeah.
January of IM1. All right, there are three types of solutions to a linear function, linear systems. There are three types of solutions. All right, the first one is one solution. One solution is when you have two lines that intersect at a point. The point is x comma y. In other words, we get x equals n, y equals a number. That's more for the next couple days, but for today we're going to graph, so we want to know what it looks like. They're intersecting lines. Only one ordered pair works, which means it's a solution. All right, second one. It's like this. It says no solution. No solution is when we get like 0 equals a number. Since 0 cannot equal a number, we draw a line through the equal sign, which means no solution. This is when we have parallel lines. The symbol for parallel is the sidewards double line. Parallel lines, why do they never intersect? Why? They have the same slope. And if we were to plug in, no ordered pairs would work. It would work for one, but not the other. And the last one looks something like this. It's infinitely many solutions. Instead of writing out the word infinitely, you can put the infinity sign. Infinitely many means you get 0 equals 0. It means they are the same line. It also means you have an infinite amount of ordered pairs that work. Because every point on these lines is a solution, which is why it's an infinite amount of ordered pairs. Our examples, here are the directions for the examples. It's to graph each system. Once we graph each system, we need to identify if it is one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. If it is one solution, we must check the answer. We have y equals 5x, and then we have 10x plus 2y equals 20. All right, so we have y equals 5x, and then we have 10x plus 2y equals 20. I'm going to move it like this. Okay? We good? All right. Can we graph this line right now? Yeah. What do we need to identify from this line before we graph it? The y-intercept, which is what? 0. So 0, 0. Your slope, which is what? 5 over what? 1. Errors for your slope are what? Up and right. Up and right. Over here, this example, what's wrong with it? It's not in slope-intercept form, so we need to make it into slope-intercept form. How do I put it in slope-intercept form? We're going to draw our line. We're going to circle our 2y. We're going to subtract the 10x from both sides. We get 2y equals negative 10x plus 20. Now what am I going to do? Divide what by 2? Everything. Divide everything you see by 2. We get y equals, what's negative 10 divided by 2? Negative 5x. And what's 20 divided by 2? Positive 10. What's your slope of this line? Negative 5 over 1. Arrows for your slope are what? And? Good. What's your y-intercept? Ordered pair? Good. Let's draw a graph. I didn't go tall enough. All right, graphing the first one. Where does the first one start? At the origin at 0, 0. From 0, 0, we're going to do what? Go up how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right 1. How many points do you need on a line? 3. All right. Now what? Graph the other one. Start at 0, 10. Which is way up here. From there, where do I go? Down 5 to the right 1. Down 5 to the right 1. My graph's a little off. It'll work. Oops. This point's a little off. It should be right there. This point is off. What it should be the point of intersection, not based on my picture. What should be the point of intersection? 1, 5. You're looking for where the 2 points or 2 lines intersect, which is right about there. It should be at 1, 5. If I would have graphed it a little bit better. Oh, that's because I missed 2. That's why. That's why. Special. Should go right there. There it is. That's better. Not this one. All right. I found the point. Now what do I do? I gotta check it. All right, let's check. We're going to check 1, 5 on both equations. We're going to start with y equals 5x. We're going to plug in for y, and we're going to plug in for x. What is your y value? 5 equals 5 times what's your x value? 1. So we get 5 equals 5, which therefore works. Then we're going to plug it into which one? We're going to plug into the second one. When I plug into the second one, though, go to the original. The reason why is in case you messed up here, the original will make it easier to make sure that you have the right answer. So if we go to the original of 10x plus 2y equals 20, we're going to say 10 times what's your x? Times 1 times 2 times what's your y? 5 equals 20. 10 times 1 is? And 2 times 5 is? So we get 20 equals 20, which therefore works. So your last step is going to say, we have one solution, and 1, 5 is the solution. All right, you're going to do one. Negative 6x plus 2y is equal to 14, and negative 3x plus y equals 3. let's solve. You should draw your line, circle your y term. What do you do with the negative 6x? Add it to both sides. We get 2y equals 6x plus 14. Then what do? Divide by 2. You get y equals 3x plus 7, yes? Okay, your slope is 3 over 1. Arrows are up and right. Your y-intercept is 7, so 0, 7. Over here, we're going to draw our line. We're going to circle our y. And all we have to move is the 3x, so we're going to add that. I get y equals 3x plus 3. Slope is also 3 over 1, which is up and right. Y-intercept is 3, so 0, 3. That was it, right? Good. I'm going to graph the first one. The first one starts at 0, 7. So 0, 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. From here it says to go up 3, but if I notice my graph does not go up 3, so I need to go the opposite. So instead of up, I go. Instead of right, I go. So 1, 2, 3 to the right. Left, sorry. And then 1, 2, 3, and left. There's my line. And I'm going to graph the second one. The second one starts at 0, 3. So it's right here. This one says go up 3 and to the right 1. And I've ran out of room, so I'm going to go backwards again. And I see that I have two parallel lines. So my answer is no solution, because why? Because the lines are parallel. Questions? Mm-hmm. I'm going to talk about horizontal and vertical. Horizontal lines are which way? Sideways. What's your slope of a horizontal line? Vertical lines are which way? Up and down. What's your slope here? Divide. Your horizontal starts with y equals a number, and your vertical starts with x equals a number, just in case you have to graph them. Questions?